रूटीन अल्ट्रासाउंड्स में भी, हेल्थ चेकअप्स में भी आजकल गॉल ब्लैडर स्टोन्स पाए जाते हैं। More often than not, we see gallbladder stones with pregnancy. Dieting can also lead to gallbladder stones. 3D laparoscopy is an advanced surgery जहाँ पे हम ये सर्जरी जो 40-50 मिनट में होती है, हम 10 मिनट के अंदर कर लेते हैं। Gallbladder stones. Somehow everybody has heard about this problem. पित्त की थैली में पत्थर. Now, in India, the rising populations have got the incidence coming from 4% to 33%. You can imagine how prevalent this disease is. Routine ultrasounds में भी, health checkups में भी आजकल gallbladder stones पाए जाते हैं. Now you will ask me, can anybody get gallbladder stones? The problem is that today's lifestyle, which consists of very high sugary, high calorie foods, which increases the cholesterol, causes a disbalance with the cholesterol complex in the gallbladder, and that causes crystallization. छोटे-छोटे crystals बनते हैं, एक दूसरे चिपक के वो stones बनते हैं. What about genetics? Now there is a link proven that even if your parents had gallbladder stones, you can also develop the same. Fat, obesity, this is another contribution. Today, India is also struggling with weight problems. We are going to be the obesity capital of the world. And that in turn because with today's lifestyle, fast food, and a lot of junk food which we are accumulating. This kind of food also causes high cholesterol, which in turn can cause gallbladder stones. But we have seen that the incidence of gallbladder stones is very high in females because the prevalence of hormones, उस दौरान pregnancy में जो hormonal changes होते हैं, that also causes cholesterol to crystallize in the gallbladder. And more often than not, we see gallbladder stones with pregnancy. बच्चों में gallbladder stones होता है? जी, बिल्कुल होते हैं. The youngest patient I've operated is a 3-year-old child. Unfortunately, that was also genetic linked. So we have to be very conscious of what we eat and which should not contribute to change in the cholesterol levels. Any exercise? Well, yoga is a very holistic approach which tends to regulate the body hormones and the regulations. But can it prevent gallbladder stones? I don't think so. But it will not let you get overweight. So yoga can indirectly contribute to the factor of obesity. What about dieting? Now you have all these fashion dietings, Instagram diets, Instagram hacks, long-term gap between your meals, and sudden extreme fat foods and low carbohydrate foods. Dieting can also lead to gallbladder stones. You heard that right. I have a lot of patients, young females, coming with gallbladder stones but not knowing the cause. When I deep dive into the history, there is a subtle period where they are done long-term fasting, intermittent fasting. Sometimes it might not suit you, sometimes it can, but this can also be a contributory factor to gallbladder stones. What about smoking? Smoking, alcohol, yes, another contributory factor जिससे gallbladder stones हो सकता है. Now you heard most of the reasons, but is there a solution? Yes, fortunately there is. Gallbladder removal or gallbladder surgery is the solution for gallbladder stones because there are no medicines for gallbladder stone dissolution. The dissolution therapy, जिससे हम medicines देते हैं, is very rare at that too for probably sludge, जो रेती वाले stones होते हैं. But formed stones cannot be dissoluted by medicines. So the only solution is surgery. अब सब डरते हैं, surgery ही, is that the only option? क्या हम delay कर सकते हैं? I don't think so. सर्जरी के कॉम्प्लिकेशंस से ज़्यादा गॉल ब्लैडर के कॉम्प्लिकेशंस खतरनाक हैं. जी हाँ दोस्तों, गॉल ब्लैडर के कॉम्प्लिकेशंस जानलेवा हो जाती हैं क्योंकि गॉल ब्लैडर स्टोन्स यदि नेक पे अटक जाते हैं, इट कैन बर्स्ट, इट कैन कॉज अ लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग सिचुएशन कॉल्ड सेप्सिस. यदि वो स्लिप हो जाते हैं CBD में या कॉमन बाइल डक्ट में, दैट कैन कॉज पैंक्रेटाइटिस. 1 in 10 patients die of pancreatitis as well. So gallbladder के complications खतरनाक है. But the most complicated situation is gallbladder cancer. You heard that right. Kidney में stones पड़े हैं तो हमें डर नहीं लगता. They don't obstruct, sometimes they might obstruct, but they don't cause cancer. But gallbladder stones now have a prevalence to form gallbladder cancer. And this is something which we want to avoid. Therefore, gallbladder surgery is the only option for gallbladder stones. This is what I'm trying to tell you today. If you have gallbladder stones and you need to get it removed, come to me because we do 3D laparoscopy. अब आप पूछेंगे 3D laparoscopy क्या होता है? 3D laparoscopy is an advanced surgery जहाँ पे हम ये सर्जरी जो 40-50 मिनट में होती है हम 10 मिनट के अंदर कर लेते हैं in uncomplicated gallbladder stones. That is why it is more important to understand कि surgery is the only option and solution if you don't want to have complications in your life.